Let me tell you something most virtual assistants do not want to hear. The fastest way to get clients is not cold DMs. It's not sending 50 proposals per day, 100 proposals per day. It is something way more boring and way more effective. And if you're already working with at least one client, this will change how you operate in your virtual assistant business. Because I get messages from VAs asking me on my LinkedIn, in my email, asking me, how do I get more clients? And I'm like, it is easy, but it is boring also. Recently, one of my clients sent me a warm introduction. I didn't pitch. I didn't do any sales call. It was just basically pure out of trust, them trusting me. And it reminded me of something that is really, really important. Everyone wants more clients, but most of us VAs, we forget one of the fastest ways to get more clients, and that is referrals. Referrals, it is that one opportunity that you don't see coming but is already there. This new opportunity didn't come because I was hunting for leads. It just came because I delivered for my client. I delivered what I said I would deliver and even more. I delivered my best. I delivered everything. And because of that, they found it easy for them to refer me to someone else who was looking for an executive assistant. What actually led to the referral? Here's what that client referred me. I showed up on time, I communicated clearly, and I did exactly what I said I would do. That is why they referred me. And that's it. It was not a fancy strategy that people think of, or viral content, or having a complicated funnel. No, just doing my work properly led them to want to refer me to someone they know who is looking for an executive assistant who is technical. So most VAs are focused on chasing new leads, getting more clients, but they forget that the easiest growth strategy is already right in front of them. With that client you're working with that entrepreneur, with that founder, with that manager, I do not know, whichever client you're working with, that's already your growth strategy. Utilize it. Because instead of asking, where can I find my next client? Ask yourself, how can I make my current client genuinely happy? Because when you make them genuinely happy, they will genuinely want to refer you to people they know who are also looking for VAs, or who are looking for people in your field. Okay, so not just satisfying or not just content, but make them happy while you are working with them. Deliver on what you said you would do. Be reliable, be proactive, do everything that will genuinely make them happy and make them want to hire, want to refer you to people they know. Because when you do great work for one person, or one entrepreneur, one founder, that one person will bring you two more. Those two more might bring you one more. Just like that, referrals keep on coming in. And suddenly you're not hunting for clients anymore. They are coming to you. They are finding you where you are, because you're already doing well for yourself and the people that you're working with, and they're finding it easy for them to want to refer you because you're doing a very great job. So your growth strategy in getting more clients is the people you're already working with. Those clients that you're already working with, utilize them, do your best for them, genuinely make them happy, genuinely satisfy them. Okay, because it is through that they want to refer you. If you want a sustainable VA business, stop obsessing over getting new clients all the time. It is straining. It will make you not want to deliver your best, because as you're working with someone, you're constantly thinking about, oh, I need another client, I need another client. Then you end up not focusing on even the results you're supposed to deliver for your client. Start obsessing over delivery, communication, and reliability with the clients that you're currently working with. Okay, that is how trust is built, and that is what multiplies your clients, because those clients, they will refer you. So do the best delivery, be the greatest communicator, and be the best reliable virtual assistant that they know. So if this has made you rethink how you approach your VA work, and go ahead and like this video, because it helps more VAs out there see it, and also share it. Subscribe to the channel, because I share honest, practical advice to help you grow your VA business without the hustle culture, nonsense. Trust me, I don't share nonsense here. I share what will actually help you if you put it into practice, practical advice. Remember, do great work for that one client that you're working with, and they might bring you 2 more, 3 more, 1 more. I will see you in the next one. Bye.